Good morning everyone and happy Wednesday from Puerto, Cruz, Tenerife, from paradise. You can see outside again a little bit this morning. Very nice. And it's beautifully warm morning, partly cloudy. We are expecting 5 degrees today. Very gentle breeze. Playa de Martianes, magically shining.
Hola.
Hola. She's beautiful. Oh.
Oye, altos dientes, chicos.
Gracias. Buen día. Now let's see one special mural in one special place. Oh, this is it. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto, Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Best greetings from Puerto and viva la música.